Good morning, SK. I'm Will.
And I'm Ethan.
Hey, are you still feeling the Halloween spirit? Because Spirit Week is ongoing, and tomorrow is anything but a backpack. So get creative. What are you gonna bring?
You know, I'm not too sure yet. Anyways, let's get into the show. Well, it's the first day of November, meaning the fall play is just a few days away. 12 Angry Jurors opens this Friday. Find out why they're all angry for just $7 or $5 with ASB. Curtains open at 7. Attention AP students, Friday is the last day to register for your AP exams without a late fee. In order to get registered, log into your AP account through College Board and register yes or no to each of your AP subjects. If you have any questions, you can ask your AP teachers or Mrs. Duchesne in the library. Heat Week continues. Come watch the hot sauce challenges made by students for staff at all lunches this week. Check the graphics on screen for who's competing today. Come and cheer on your favorite teachers as they take on the heat. And as previously mentioned, Spirit Week runs through Friday. Tomorrow is anything but a backpack. Your item must be able to be carried and have no engine. Thursday is Baby versus Baby Boomer, and Friday is the Grade Wars. Freshmen are pumpkins, so dress in orange. Sophomores are corn, so dress in yellow. Juniors are bats, so dress in black. And finally, seniors are ghosts, so dress in white. And staff, you are lumberjacks, so get out your flannels.
Shifting to sports news, registration for winter sports are still open. Remember, you must have a current sports physical, your ASB card, and no fines in order to be eligible. Also, baseline concussion testing is mandatory for all freshmen and juniors, or if you've had a concussion within the last 12 months. This is required if you want to participate in basketball, wrestling, or cheer. Testing will be in the libraries all days next week after school. Make sure to bring your Chromebook. Open gym and conditioning for basketball continues at its normal time and days through next Wednesday. 10 Wolves competed in the WC D3 Swim and Dive Championships this past weekend. The team swam and dove great with many personal bests and placed 8th overall. Congrats to Nina Mertz, who is going on to state to represent SK in the 100 butterfly. In the schedule of events, ladies soccer continues their playoff run against Rogers at Sunset Chevrolet Stadium tonight. Tomorrow, volleyball will face Olympia at Graham Kapowson for their postseason run. You know, all this sports talk is getting me hungry for college. You know, I'm not sure if where I want to go will take my application in cookie form, but the Career Center can help you make yours up just right. I mean, Mrs. Nass is a great cook. Seniors, if you're looking for financial aid support, stop by the Career Center on Tuesdays and Fridays during lunch. There will be a financial aid advisors to answer any questions that you might have. Also, seniors, File Your FAFSA night is happening Thursday in the library. Get assistance with your application. You must RSVP to the invite on Parent Square or come to the Career Center. This week is the final week of scheduled college visits. Tomorrow, Cal Poly Humboldt will be here. Thursdays, we have 4 different visitors. Willamette University, College of Idaho, the U.S. Coast Guard Academy, and Oregon State. Sign up and get your pass to attend in the Career Center.
In club news, Spanish will be meeting Thursday to watch the movie Coco. The clubs meeting today are 3D Zone, D&D, Key Club, Next Gen Politics, and Poetry. Meeting tomorrow will be ASL, AAPI, Autotech, Cosmetology, and Self-Care, Esports, Journalism, QSA, and Speech and Debate. Hey, I think I figured out what I'm going to use tomorrow for a backpack.
What's that?
This.
It's anything but a backpack. So just not a backpack.
What?
Forget it. Later, SK.